Hey, this is English Explained, and we're diving into the trendy slang term, Sigma. It's a label for someone who's fiercely independent, confident, and thrives outside traditional social rules, often seen as a cool, lone wolf type who doesn't chase popularity, but still commands respect. It's about owning your path with swagger. Let's break it down with examples so you really get it. He turned down the clique's invite to work solo. That's Sigma. He's confident in his own way. She dominates the game without team hype, pure Sigma vibes. She's a self-reliant star. That guy's quiet confidence at the party? Total Sigma move. He stands out by not trying. The slang term Sigma emerged in the early 21st century, rooted in internet culture and the manosphere communities, where it drew from the concept of the Sigma male, a personality type outside the alpha-beta social hierarchy. Unlike alphas who lead or betas who follow, Sigmas are portrayed as self-sufficient rebels who succeed on their own terms. Popularized through memes, TikTok, and pop culture in the 2020s, Sigma became a broader term for anyone, male or female, who exudes quiet confidence and independence, often with a humorous or aspirational spin. Use Sigma to describe someone who radiates confidence, independence, and a cool, detached vibe, especially in casual pop culture-driven chats about personality or style. This term carries a trendy, playful tone and is perfect for informal conversations where you want to hype up someone's unique swagger. Be mindful in diverse settings, as its niche origins might not resonate universally. Does your language have a similar phrase? Drop it in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe.